Hey YouTube, it's Loop Soccer here, and today we're opening a fat pack of 2016-2017 Parkhurst, and I'm extremely excited for this set. I think it's super underrated, and as someone trying to get back in the hobby, it's a great way to collect all the rookies of 2016-17 rookie class, and I talked about before, it's the reason why I really want to collect again. So these are retail exclusive at Walmart here in Canada. They're $7.92 a fat pack. You're getting 30 cards, and I think you're getting like 5 inserts. So the thing about Parkhurst, it's retail exclusive to Walmart. You're getting some pretty cool cards. So you're getting some parallels in terms of a top 25 card. You're getting some reds. I think you're getting a black, and you're also getting some Parkhurst rookies. It's a giant set. It's 400 cards, so it's 100 more than this year's 17-18. So there's 66 rookies, so I'm hoping to get something that I just get something. I would like to get some Leafs. I think it's with all the rookies they had last year, it's a pretty good chance. Eventually, I'm going to be actually buying the blaster box, and I'll be opening that soon. Once I get it, I'm actually excited. That's probably super exciting. I'm hoping to get some of the rookies I want. But here you go. Let's open the top part of this. Oh god, I hate opening these fat packs. Alright. Let's see. These are the 2016-17 Parkhurst cards. Pretty classic. I think that this was the first year they brought it back. And it's a retail exclusive. So here's Tyler Johnson, Mike Ribeiro, Dustin Brown, Michael Raffle, Gabriel Landeskog, Milan Holic, first Leaf-ish. Alright, there you go, our first insert. Ricard Raquel, red. Cloud Clutterbuck, red. And our top 25 is Tyler Seguin. Cool. So this is exclusive to the Fat Pack. Top 25 insert. Not numbered though, whatever. Obviously, Joe Ward, Jake Muzzin, Yoni DeFara. Our first Parkhurst rookie is JC LePon, the Winnipeg Jets. Oh, that's a nice rookie. Zach Werenski, of Columbus Blue Jackets. Zach Werenski, so pretty normal rookie card for Parkhurst, but easiest way to get the rookies. And our last rookie is Tom Kuhnhackl, so 3 rookies so far. Not bad. And let's see what the rest of the pack will entail. I think they're all base now. So we got Cam Talbot, Zach Parise, Riley Smith, Brian Giunta, Renko, Justin Falk. Okay, we got a black of Rasmus Ristolainen. Rasmus Ristolainen black. That's a good one. Oh, that's a nice one too. Nathan McKinnon of Colorado. Red. Awesome. Oh, and we have a red rookie of Sebastian Aho. That's one of the rookies I was looking for. That's a good one too. Sebastian Aho. Great rookie for Carolina. And another insert, we got Centennial Salute. This is Brent Hall, Stanley Cup clinching goal, 1999. It's a very shiny card. Centennial Salute. Nice. Max Pacioretty. Anthony Duclair. Oh, we got another rookie. This one's a Mitch Marner rookie. Awesome. So that's 1 down. First Leaf rookie I've pulled. And it's Mitch Marner. I am not complaining. That's awesome. This is a pretty good backpack so far. And our last 2 cards is Jason Chimera and PK Subban. So I think we got a lot more than we expected with the fat pack. So we got, let's see. So we got, how many rookies? We got 4 rookies. Standard rookies of Marner, Kuhnhackl, Werenski, and LePon. And we got regular Centennial Salute insert. A red rookie of Sebastian Aho. That's awesome. And we got 3 reds of Nathan McKinnon, Cal Clutterbuck, and Ricard Raquel. And we got a black of Rasmus Ristolainen and a top 25 Tyler Seguin. So I'm extremely happy with that pack for $8. You can't go wrong. I actually do have the Parkhurst blaster box that I will be opening soon. I'm extremely excited, but I hope my luck hasn't ran out with that pack. So if the next packs are just like that, I'm happy. Some of these cards will be available for trade. And until next time, this is Loops Hawk. I'm super excited. I'm really happy right now, so if you can hear my voice. But I can't wait to open more packs this coming year. And until then, this is Loops Hockey signing off. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye.